slow down. Muddy puddle.
I'm not on the phone, babe. I'm just recording the end of my video.
You nearly just run.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are on the road and we are on our way down to the Spring Action Day at Castle Combe. It is a wet and miserable morning, so we've held off a little bit. It's now around about 11 o'clock, so we're going to be getting in for about midday. Hopefully, not too much stuff is left. It is a Saturday. It's Daddy daycare. I've got a day off work, so why not? Let's go and catch up with some cool cars. Give them a wave, boys. Yay! Where are we going? Car show! So excited, so excited. So we're going to go and have a little look around what there is down there. Now, for this show season, I'm going to have a little bit of a change up in terms of my show videos. I'm not going to be walking around every single car trying to get as many as I possibly can. I'm going to try and focus on the feature cars now that the channel has changed slightly. So I am going to hone in on and focus on one or two cars that really do catch my eye. Sit in and see if we can find some really cool, more classic style stuff at what is genuinely a slightly more modified car meet style event. So let's crack on now, let's get on down there and have a little look at what's in store for us at Spring Action Day 2023. We made it in, it is wet. They managed to get out with the drifting demo for a little bit, which is quite cool. Apparently the track's been shut for most of the morning. Just going to make our way over to go and see if we can find John, have a little walk past a couple of cars. So there is that going on. So hopefully we'll get to see a bit of that in a bit as well. Down in this section there is a lot of very, very wet grass, big puddles, but the very first thing we come across is a couple of very cool classic cars, as I promised. A very cool Lada Riva right there, a couple of Polos over there as well, and a nice little Civic and a BMW at the end. Let's get a couple of clips of these and crack on. There's 350s. What a beast. Mark IV Supra 5 GTI, four little E36 compacts, big fan of those. Very cool. Toyota Corolla T-Sport, 180 horsepower. Proper cool little noughties hot hatch. Check this absolutely wicked E30. What's in the bay? In the bay. E36 over here, another estate as well. You can see the sort of host of cars that there are at these sort of events. There are some very cool cars, older cars, smattered between them as well. Beauty sat over here, 205 GTI and a E30 cab. Love it. It's a E34 5 Series, another lovely one. Proper future classic there, big fan of a nice S3. Cheeky little Civic, look at that. Very wicked. Lotus Carlton. And this has got to be one of my proper faves. I've no idea why. What a machine. Pretty cool sights over here. Skyline. Bristol problem. Omega. Ooh. Gold PCR, looks like it's edition 30. Pretty smart, isn't That was loud, wasn't it? Very cool VRS version of an estate. Pit stop calf for a coffee break, and this episode's coffee has come sponsored by Laura and Chris from I met them in the Southwest Wales Car Club a couple of years ago. They got a really cool host of cars, an XR3i, a couple of minis, a couple of Tramp Stags, some really cool stuff. So thanks so much to you guys for supporting the channel by getting me this coffee for this show. Thanks so much to you, Chris, and to Laura for supporting this video. Cheers. If you want to support the channel by donating a coffee towards the next show, then please go over to my Buy Me a Coffee profile, where you can also get the channel stickers, bumper stickers, and a few other bits and pieces as well. So go check that out, link in the description below. Cheers, Chris and Laura. I love it when you're walking down the road and then just poking a little nose out. You know there's something cool. Look at this. Two, one. So guys, that was spring action day over at Castle Combe, and it was a bit of a washout this morning. It has brightened up a little bit towards the afternoon. Some absolutely wicked cars to look at, a lot of cool retro motors, some really interesting stuff, and also a couple of really nice classic cars there too. A really nice Ford Mustang you would have seen in there, one of my firm favourites from today. You can see from the show, from the few clips that you've seen, there's a lot of modern stuff there, but most of it is very, very interesting in terms of the modifications that are done to it. So it's definitely worth a shout to go over there and have a little look. I think the on the day tickets on the gate is about 25 quid. So especially for a day like today where it is properly wet and rainy, it's on the steep side. However, there is a lot to do there, a lot to see, and when there is track action going on, it does keep the kiddies entertained as well. Now, another quick mention to Chris and Laura, who donated towards today's coffee. Thanks so much for your continued support, guys. You've been with me since pretty much the beginning of my YouTube antics. So thanks so much for donating for today's coffee. I really do appreciate it. If anyone would like to support the channel, quickest and easiest way is to chuck a like down below, comment your favourite car from the show today, but then also subscribe to the channel. Now, this is the easiest and best way of supporting small creators because it helps us get the word out that we're here and that we're making videos. If you do fancy donating towards a coffee, you get a shout out on a future show video. There's also stickers to be bought. Those can all be found on my Buy Me a Coffee profile page, which you can go and have a little browse of without having to donate anything either. So go and click the link and have a little look at that profile. It'd be absolutely wicked to have you over there too. So we've already seen a Fiat 500 on here. I've got another feature video coming up very, very soon of another very iconic little car. So make sure you look out for that one coming soon. Also in the pipeline, loads and loads of other feature videos, good few other show videos coming up too. The main thing is, thanks so much for watching this episode, guys. It's been great to have you along. Make sure to drive safe, and I'll hopefully catch you again on the Dizzy Cab Car Show.